Hey everyone, if you're trying to lose weight or just eat healthier, I've got something that might save you some time and frustration. Today, I'm sharing my top 3 worst diet mistakes I made, and more importantly, how I fixed them. Let's get into it. All right, mistake number 1. I was eating way too little. I thought the less I ate, the faster I'd lose weight. Spoiler alert, my body freaked out. I was tired, moody, and constantly craving food. Turns out, starving yourself just slows down your metabolism and makes everything harder. Once I started eating enough of the right stuff, like protein, veggies, and healthy fats, I finally felt energized and started making real progress. Mistake number 2. I went zero carb. Yep, I ditched bread, rice, fruit, everything. And at first, sure, I lost water weight, but then came the headaches, weakness, and crazy sugar cravings. Eventually, I learned that carbs aren't evil. You just need the right kinds and the right amount. Now I enjoy things like oats, sweet potatoes, and fruit, and I actually feel human again. And the third big one? I was obsessed with eating clean 100% of the time. If I had a single cookie, I'd feel guilty and start the whole cycle over. That kind of mindset just isn't sustainable. Once I adopted the 80-20 rule, 80% nutritious, 20% flexibility, it changed everything. I was consistent, happy, and actually looked forward to meals. So, if you're just starting out or you've been struggling, trust me, don't starve yourself, don't fear carbs, and don't beat yourself up for being human. Healthy eating is a lifestyle, not a punishment. If this helped you out, give it a like and drop a comment with a diet mistake you made. I'd love to hear it. See you in the next one.